How's it going, everybody? My name is Austin and welcome to the Powerstoked YouTube channel. New to the channel, hit that subscribe button down below, smash that like button and stick around if you like 7.3 Powerstroke content or any diesel content or automotive for that matter. So I want to start this video out by saying I hope all of you had an amazing Christmas, and this will come out on New Year's Day, so Happy New Year. It's 2020. Absolutely insane. I never thought that in 3 years of doing this channel I would be as big as I am, really. I mean, 5,700 subscribers is pretty insane. Now that number dropped because YouTube had their whole bot clear out, which was kind of a bummer because I lost like 70 subscribers. So I was almost to 5,800 and it tanked us back down to 5,702. But nonetheless, thank you to everybody that's tuning into this video, everybody that has subscribed to the channel and supported me throughout the years. So thank you. Now, that is not the point of this week's video. This week's video, I wanted to talk about something that was a little bit different than the normal diesel content we have. So in the past, I've been asked a lot how much money I make on YouTube, how to get started with YouTube, how you get monetized, all that stuff, and I kind of wanted to cover that in one video and let you guys know what a YouTuber that has 5,700 subscribers makes in a month. So unless you're absolutely brand new to YouTube, you know that there are certain creators that are monetized and certain creators that are not, and there's a very strict set of rules that YouTube has set into place to get you to that point of making money. So YouTube's kind of strict about their whole monetization policy, and it's with good reason, and it might be hard for smaller channels to get monetized. It took me a really long time. YouTube has a set list of rules of what you need to accomplish before you can get monetized on YouTube. Now, YouTube isn't a mean company that's doing it to, prevent small content creators from getting anywhere or anything like that, but mainly it's there to protect the content creators that have actually been putting a lot of effort into their channels and a lot of time on YouTube to try to get where they are. To get monetized on YouTube, you need to have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers, which is a newer one that happened, I think, in the last year and a half. I was right before that. There was a rule set, 40,000 watch minutes per month for 6 months, and then they would approve your monetization. But now they bumped it up to 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 watch hours in a year, and then you'll get monetized. And the reason they do that isn't, like I said, to put small channels down and make them feel bad, like if you have 300 subscribers or 500 subscribers or whatever. So mainly they're trying to prevent people from working the system. So if you go make a channel and you don't have any subscribers, but you put out viral videos, like you take people's videos and steal them and make them your own, and you get 40,000 watch minutes because you get 100,000 views or 1,000,000 views or whatever on those very few videos with no subscribers, you can't cash in and be like, oh yeah, I made these videos, monetization on them is making me bank. Basically, they want you to be on YouTube for a while and have earned some subscribers and basically earned your rep to get there, which personally, I think that's a very fair thing. I mean, granted, I was in before, so I didn't have to face that challenge of 1,000 subscribers, but now that I really think about it and see it in the way of YouTube's eyes, it's a really smart move. Now, if you accomplish all 1,000 subscribers and you get the 4,000 watch hours per month, then you're finally gonna get monetized. Now, that's assuming you're obeying the guidelines and all that fun stuff that comes with being a YouTuber and not using copyrighted music and all that fun stuff and not getting copyright strike. You will officially be monetized and you will start making money on YouTube. So being a small YouTuber, you're not gonna make a lot of money just starting off. Now, me as a 800 subscriber channel with maybe 1,000 views a month after a couple good videos that got me to my monetization state, you're gonna start getting paid and it's not gonna be a lot of money. I only made $20 a month for probably half a year, so I got paid once for the entire year of 2018. Wow. So with Google AdSense, you only get paid when you reach a certain threshold, and their threshold happens to be $100. So every month I'd get paid about 20 bucks or less, and I'd sit there and watch that number as I couldn't take the money out of the account. Now that's super hard and it can be very discouraging and very defeating, but it really pushed me. It really got me to think, all right, if I push myself and I make good videos and I make more videos, that number's gonna go up and the money will come sooner. And throughout the years, I've really learned a lot more. I've gotten more comfortable in front of a camera. I know what you guys like to watch and all sorts of stuff like that. So I've gotten a lot better. And now I do get paid monthly from YouTube. So the way that YouTube calculates what you're gonna make for money is with the system called CPM. And basically it's clicks per 1,000, and it's the Latin word, I think it's milli or something like that. It's the Latin word for 1,000. So basically what it is clicks per 1,000. So every 1,000 views on your video, you're gonna get paid this amount of money. Now with my channel, I get paid $3.16, and that's gonna vary depending on the ads that you're running on your channel. You don't really get to pick those videos as a YouTuber. Basically there's gonna be a bunch of ad companies that have paid YouTube to get their ads on videos, and you're gonna be selected. Now, me being a very small demographic of YouTube, which is the automotive community, and more specifically the diesel automotive community, there's not many people out there. We got Dirty Max Jack and a few other channels like Greg A and stuff, but there really is nothing like the big YouTube channels where you got PewDiePie and Logan Paul and just to name a few, even DDE, and they're the big automotive YouTube channel. they're making some pretty good money, and off their sponsorship deals and everything, they do make very good money. Now, as a small YouTuber like me, at $3.16 per 1,000 views, I get 16,400 views in 1 week, and that was just this last week, and that's down 700 views. Now, I try not to look at the numbers and get down, because YouTube, it's a very up and down thing. I mean, you're gonna have a lot of subscribers 1 week and none the next. You're gonna have a lot of views on one video, and the next video is not gonna be very good. It's a very vicious work environment. I mean, it really makes you think, oh, this video was terrible, when you could have put your heart and soul into it. It just wasn't watched. We'll take those numbers and do some quick math so you guys can find out what, I mean, you guys probably already have, but I'm gonna do it for you right here on screen. We use nice round numbers for this. So, for the past week, it's 16,000 views, and then $3.16 per 1,000. You just take that $3.16 times 16, and that's how much money I made in a week, which is $50.56. Now, I hope that doesn't discourage anybody, because that's really not the point of this. Basically, I'm still working at making my channel the best it can be. I gotta make better videos, I gotta make more content, I gotta do a lot of stuff to get to up where I can get up into a higher tier of YouTube and start making a full-time out of this. Now, I hope this gives some insight on what a YouTuber like me makes every single month. If you're a small channel, don't give up. Keep pushing, keep making your content, keep doing what you love, and don't do it for the money. That's what the problem is with this, is if you go to do it for the money, you're gonna get discouraged way easy. You're not gonna wanna do it. I mean, stuff like that. Do it because you love it, and that's why I do it. Modifying my trucks is something that I've always loved to do, and I figured if I get a new to me truck and I start recording my mods and everything, people are gonna wanna watch that, and that's super exciting. And I mean, obviously there's 5,700 of you out there that enjoy watching this. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, smash that like button, and stick around for plenty more videos. I mean, hey, we just talked about monetization. Clicks per thousand, guys. Clicks per thousand. And if you guys are in the market for anything turbo related, head over to kcturbos.com. Use, oh my gosh. And if you guys out in the audience, any of you are out there in the market for a turbo, don't forget to head down to the description below, go to kcturbos.com, and use promo code Powerstoked for 5% off your order of any KC Turbos product. So, thank you guys again, and I will see you guys in the next video.